In front of me is Redmi Note 15, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Privacy Protection available here. Now select All Permissions at the bottom and click on any of those you wanna manage, like camera. Now check out apps available in all of those sections. In case of camera, allowed all the time, allowed only while in use, or not allowed. Let's go with Aliexpress from not allowed one. Here you can apply one of those options by clicking on the chosen one. In case of Aliexpress and camera access, allow only while using, ask every time, or don't allow. Let's go with the first one and go back. Now when I swipe up, I can see that Aliexpress gained access to my device's camera while I'm using this app. But what most people miss is that you can actually pick any feature just to find an app you wanna manage. Like, let's go into Contacts to pick Gmail. Now instead of clicking on one of those options, select Tiny Text at the bottom, see All Permissions. This way, you can manage all of those only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!